Guys, ayan. Good morning. Ayan, naliligo na ako. And then, aalis ako ngayon. Kami ngayon kasi nga, this is it. Yan, makukuha na namin ang susi ng bahay. Yay! Ayan, that's my outfit for today. This is my outfit for this video. Charot. Yan guys. This is my outfit. Wait.